Contego rat and mouse poisons are professional-grade rodent poisons designed for domestic use. Our range of block, grain and pasta are intended for use in conjunction with our tamper-proof bait stations. Always use gloves when handling poisons and keep out of the reach of children, pets and non-target animals, food, surfaces used for the preparation of food and water sources. For rats, use 90 to 100 grams of bait per bait station. If using more than one station, the distance between stations should be 5 to 10 metres. For mice, use 20 to 30 grams of bait per station, and if using more than one station, the distance between stations should also be 5 to 10 metres. Inspection of bait stations should take place regularly. This is to check for the acceptance of the bait and for the removal of any rodent bodies. For rats, the station should only be visited every 5 to 7 days at the start of treatment and weekly thereafter. For mice, bait stations should be visited every 2 to 3 days at the start of treatment and at least weekly thereafter. Refill the stations as needed. Be sure to read all safety information provided. Prior to the use of rodenticides, non-chemical methods of treatment should be considered. Bait stations should be placed where rodent activity has been sighted. For more information on our range of bait stations, please watch our videos on both rat and mouse boxes. Do not use rodenticides as a permanent method. Using these products should remove rodents in 35 days. If the problem persists, we recommend calling a professional pest service. Anticoagulant poisons are harmful to humans and animals and can prove deadly. Please follow all safety advice provided. Thank you.